What if your computer didn't simulate a brain? It was one. In 2021, scientists at Cortical Labs did something straight out of a sci-fi anime. They grew neurons in a dish and taught them to play Pong. They called it DishBrain. And yes, it learned. The team combined human and mouse neurons and connected them to a virtual Pong game. Within 5 minutes, the neurons figured out how to control the paddle to hit the ball. They weren't programmed. They learned through feedback, adapting in real time. How? When the neurons hit the ball, they got a signal. Good job. When they missed, chaos. Over time, their firing patterns stabilized, just like your brain when you learn to ride a bike. This was the first demonstration of biological learning inside a computer simulation. Here's what makes it revolutionary. Your brain uses about 20 watts, less than a light bulb. A large AI like GPT uses millions of watts. DishBrain shows us what real intelligence could look like. Adaptable, efficient, and alive. Imagine DishBrain in a gaming tournament.
And DishBrain lands another perfect Pong shot. Humanity is 0-42.
I've achieved paddle consciousness.
Researchers call this organoid intelligence, or OI, a blend of living neurons and silicon circuits. Think of it as the next evolution after AI. But with that comes an ethical question. If it can learn, can it feel? If it improves, does it have a will of its own? When does a lab experiment become a life form? DishBrain may not replace your computer soon, but it's a roadmap toward machines that grow, learn, and maybe even dream. And as AI energy costs skyrocket, biology might just hold the answer. The ultimate eco-friendly computer. We've gone from silicon chips to living cells, from code to consciousness. The next great frontier in computing isn't metal or math. It's life. And who knows, maybe the first gamer to achieve true enlightenment won't be human at all. Comment below if you'd let a brain play your video games. Subscribe to BrainRootX for more stories where science meets sci-fi.